You are now ready to use the free version of EasyForm Studio. To unlock premium features, enter your API key. This key was sent to your email after purchase. Make sure you have an active internet connection during the validation process. Once your API key is confirmed, the add-on will automatically download the latest version so you always have access to the newest features. The final setup step is to add cabinet texture assets, which are only available in the paid version. Unzip the asset files to a location on your computer. Then open Blender and go to Edit, Preferences, File Paths. Under Asset Libraries, add your asset folder. Blender is a very versatile 3D application and can be customized for many different workflows. When you first open Blender, you will see the default layout, but for furniture design with EasyForm Studio, adjusting the interface is highly recommended. If you are already familiar with Blender, you can skip this step or customize the layout to your own preference. If you are just getting started, we suggest downloading the prepared startup file from easyformstudio.com/download/startup. You will also find the link in the comments below. This file provides a workspace optimized for faster handling, easier navigation, and a visually adjusted interface for modeling. To apply it, open the downloaded file without making any changes or rotating the view. Then go to File, Defaults, Save Startup File, and confirm Overwrite when asked.